Hello everyone, welcome to the marine flow routine, a routine designed especially for moving your body in the season of spring in the context of this COVID-19 pandemic. So we'll be using body posture, deep, regular breathing, flowing movements, and focused attention to shift our bodies into a state of relaxed alertness. So I hope you enjoy this routine. I'll get started. I know you can't see my feet, but they're pointing straight out, shoulder width apart. This is called starting position, and just allow your whole body to sink and drop down onto the soles of your feet, and just sense that groundedness and that pull of gravity. And now feel like a string is pulling up from the crown of your head. Feel your spine straighten but still remain supple, and then sense just how that brings a lot of space into your middle. And one last little thing is just slightly tilt your pelvis so you're not sticking your butt out when you're standing. This really helps to protect your lower back, and you can also sense how that helps your whole pelvic floor feel the pull of gravity and be more grounded. Starting position. And now we're going to do a movement to start activating energy called knocking on the door of life. So just begin to twist from your waist and let your hands knock gently on your lower abdomen and lower back. Again, keep your hips square and just allow the twist from your center to move the rest of your body and keep it nice and loose. And so you're tapping your lower back where your kidneys are and your adrenal glands. It's called the door of life in traditional Chinese medicine. And you're also massaging your liver and your stomach and your digestive system. The twist in your spine is also lightly massaging your organs. And beginning to activate energy. You can imagine it like champagne bubbles bubbling up your spine. And just breathe normally here. And now, because we're in the time of COVID-19, we want to bring some more attention to our lungs. So with a loose fist, just tap right under the clavicle. It's an important lung point, acupressure point in traditional Chinese medicine, said to help boost the immunity. And it also brings more attention, more focus to the front of your lungs. And I always like this drumming sound first thing in the morning. Nice. And now come back to center. Sense this being strong and grounded in the bottom half of your body and nice and loose and relaxed on the top half. And now slow it down. Yeah, and just notice how you are now compared to even a minute or so ago. We're going to keep tapping in to activate more energy. Tap the front of your sternum. This is a place where we often tighten up, armor up against the world, and so now is the time to just soften and open this important energy center, the heart center. Just notice what this is like, and now open up your left arm and tap down the inside of your arm and then the outside of your arm. Tap, 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 open, open, open. And the Eastern way of thinking of this, you're opening your energy channels, opening and softening. And the Western way of thinking about this is that you're just relaxing your veins and your muscles, like before you give blood. Tap, tap, tap. Open, open, open. Nice. And now put your fingers into soft claws. Let's give those organs a little more love, a little massage. And this area may feel a little tender. Just try to relax and allow this area to receive the tapping and open and activate energy. Nice. And now, go behind your legs, tap all the way down the front of your legs, and the inside of your legs, and again down the back of your legs, and the inside of your legs. Yeah, just notice how you are now after all this tapping. So now we're going to do a few stretching exercises to focus on the neck, shoulders, and upper back. This one is called Opening the Rivers. Just gather your hands in front and then stretch. And bring your chin closer to your chest to really make that stretch even more noticeable. You should notice a stretch along the front of your arms. Inhale through your nose as you gather, and exhale through your mouth as you stretch. Really feel that stretch. Inhale through your nose and clear and open those rivers. Very good. Now, let your head fall to the left, ear to shoulder, and stretch the whole right side from the neck through the shoulder. You should feel it all the way down to your fingertips. Don't force it, just let it, gravity pull you. Try also not to drop your shoulders down. Just keep them straight. And enjoy the stretch. And now bring your chin to the ceiling and then back down to your chest. You don't have to go too far. Inhale as you bring your chin up. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth as you bring your chin down. Inhale and exhale, and just notice the unwinding of tension. Let it just melt away from your neck, down your shoulders, down your arms, down your fingertips. Inhale and exhale, and just release any tension. Bring your chin to your chest. Shake it out. Shaking is another great way to release any tension in your body and activate energy. And now again, gather, inhale, and clear. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth and bring your chin to your chest so you can really feel that stretch. Opening the rivers. And one more time. Inhale through your nose. And exhale. And now drop your head to the other side, to your right side. Sense how this side is different from the side you just stretched. I'm always a little stiffer on this side. Just let your ear come closer and closer to your shoulder. Let gravity pull and just feel that stretch all the way down your arm. And bring your chin to the ceiling and then back down to your chest. And inhale through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. This is a very subtle movement. You're not going to feel necessarily anything right away, but just keep unwinding, melting away that tension, and eventually you'll just feel a shift. Let it go. Let it melt away. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Down to center. And shake it out. Nice. Now, one more stretch that will stretch the torso, called reaching for pine cones. So just imagine a nice tall pine tree in front of you with all the pine cones up above, and you're going to reach for those pine cones. So bend your knees and take somewhat of a sitting position, jutting your butt out to protect your lower back, whatever's comfortable for you. Now reach your hands up. I know you can't see my hands, but I'm stretching things pretty far out here. And then just reach up with your left side and let your right hand come down, and then switch and stretch. You should feel a stretch along the whole side of your torso. And then reach, and then inhale as your hands come down, and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. And just reach for the most beautiful pine cone. Feel strong and straight as a tree. And really bring some space into your torso, between your organs. And feel energy kind of shooting out the tops of your fingers. All right, come back down to center. Shake it out. All right, so let's now do some deep breathing. This first breathing exercise, we're going to do 3. This is called heart breathing. Start with your hands in prayer position, right in front of your chest. Press down a little bit on your heart so you can really bring attention to that area. And now pull your shoulder blades together to allow your arms to move out, your hands to float out. And then pull your shoulder blades apart and just watch how your hands come back in. Soften your chest. One thing that moves everything. Shoulder blades together, hands move out. Chest expands, shoulder blades apart, float your hands back in. Inhale through your nose as your hands move out. Exhale through your nose as they come back in. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale through your nose and soften and relax toward your spine. Inhale and exhale. And move at your own pace. You may even want to close your eyes as you focus your attention in the area of the heart. Just really bring your attention to the heart area. And imagine your breath flowing in and out of your heart or chest area. Breathing a bit more slowly and deeply. You can inhale to a count of 5 and exhale to a count of 5, or whatever is comfortable for you. Just notice the breath coming in through your heart as your chest expands and flowing out as it relaxes toward your spine. Nice. We're going to do another breathing movement. This is called body holding the earth. Just float your hands up, twist at the chest, and then push up like you're pushing up a ball. And then float back down, your palms warming your lungs, and coming back down to starting position. Float your hands up, twist, push up, and then let your hands come back down. Inhale as your hands float up, and then pause. Exhale as your hands come back down. Inhale through your nose, and exhale through your nose. This movement helps to really elongate the breath. And as you breathe at your own pace now, just visualize your breath moving slowly through your whole body, washing over all your organs. Try to make the exhale a little bit longer than the inhale. And look up into what's possible. Bring that down into the present moment. All of our bodies not right now holding the earth, doing what we can. Breathing deep into our lungs, exercising them and filling them up with fresh oxygen, letting go of anything we don't need. And then from wherever you are, just come back down to starting position. And we'll do one last flow technique. This one's called drinking in the rain. Just hold your palms out. And as you stand here, just imagine that you're standing in a gentle, warm spring rain. Everything greening up all around you, beginning to push through the earth. Let your palms fill up with water and just let them float over your head. And then come down, palms facing the ground. And float your hands up, and then float them back down, nice and slow. And inhale as your hands float up. Inhale through your nose. And exhale through your nose as your hands float down. Inhale and imagine warm rain just washing through your body. Drink it all in. Inhale, exhale. Go at your own pace. You could close your eyes too and imagine now that you're soaking the rain in, drinking it in through every pore of your body. As you inhale and then exhale, and through every pore of your body, just exhale what you no longer need. Feel yourself washed with a sense of renewal, letting go, letting go. Inhale and drink the rain in. And take a nice long exhale, nice and slow. And just bring your attention to your feet on the ground like they're growing roots. air moving through your fingers, the rain washing over you, and the breath moving through you. Drinking in the rain. Nice. And now bring your hands to your lower belly as you bring your feet together. Feel that centeredness. And now bring your right hand over your heart center. And just notice what this is like. It's like giving yourself a hug. And now imagine that you are a sapling in the breeze. You might want to close your eyes. Just sense your feet firmly rooted and planted. Just let yourself move very slightly in whatever direction the breeze moves you. Feel the energy you just cultivated spiraling from your feet all the way up through your body. And let's do a quick inner smile meditation at the end here. Imagine a river flowing right in front of you. The light sparkling and smiling at you. And just imagine that you can breathe that smiling, sparkling light in through your nose, down into your lungs. Let this smiling light fill up your left lung, fill up your right lung, feel it swirling around both lungs. Just breathe in this warm, sparkling, smiling light. Let it smile into your lungs. And now invite your lungs to smile back. You might also want to invite a smile to your face, whatever feels natural to you. And now take this sense of being grounded and centered and open, and this way of smiling into your lungs and inviting your lungs to smile back with you into the rest of your day. Take one last cleansing breath. And in my practice, I like to say chi at the end. So take your left hand and then connect it with your right hand and just say chi. Chi means life force energy. So all chi to you as we come to the end of our practice. Thank you and have a great day.